Hi, are you confused what to do after year 12? This is a video for you. So, welcome again to our channel OCS Kolkata, and we are 19-year-old education consultancy and we have helped more than 1,000 students to make their career. So if you want more videos like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon. The reason behind creating this video is that in the last 2 months we have done a lot of webinar with the universities, and there were more than 50, 60, 70 students in each webinar of the universities, and later on we counseled the student one-on-one via webinar. Personally, I have counseled more than 50 students and all my team members has done that. And later on we found that all the students, maximum students, are really confused what to do after year 12. Especially they have few questions like what to study after year 12 and number 2, where to study, either in India or in abroad, or if I am going to abroad, then in which country. So now everyone is confused. So in this video I will try to give you some idea that will, I believe, help you to take a decision. And lastly, what I want to mention is that even after the result, students are really more confused, because after that I have received a lot of phone calls where we found the students who were expecting some marks, they are getting even more marks, or even the students who has told us that I am expecting this percentage of marks, they have received less marks in their 12th standard. So here is the video. Please watch the video till the end. Hope this video will help you to take a decision. Now, what to do? I believe you should do whatever you like. Don't listen to others. Maximum students, they do the mistake, they listen to others and take the decisions. Of course, you can talk to your parents and you can talk to your, few of the teachers who are really your well-wisher. So basically follow your passion, talk to your parents, and before doing anything, you should know the career outcome, and then you choose and decide. And for that, you can come to our office, you can talk to us. We have got more than 19 years of experience in helping students in this way. And the second thing is where to study. See, it's up to you. You can study either in India or you can study in outside of India. So like studying abroad, I can give you some options, like already the study abroad has already they have started their universities, like in Australia in July 2020 they have already started their courses. A lot of students from India, they have already started their courses. In September, even universities in British, they will be open, and Ireland and other countries are also open in 2020. So what we are doing, students are taking admission, and after that we are applying for their visas. But before getting the visa, students are already starting their courses online. So in this way they are not wasting a single year. Mind it, if you want to study abroad, there are plenty of opportunities that you will not lose your year, and you can start your course right now. Now, are you confused about your course selection? Don't worry about that. In my previous videos I have described about the course option in abroad. Now, are you confused about your marks? If it is really good, then we can apply for your scholarship. Even we can give you options for different scholarship options in different countries and in different universities. And if your marks are less than the average, just don't worry, we can still apply to good universities with diploma leading to degree, where you will not lose any year. That means in the first year you can study diploma, and in the rest of the years you can study degree. And this first year diploma will give you 100% credit towards your second year admission for the degree. So don't worry, we can solve your confusion. Are you confused about the IELTS? Yes, of course, this is one of the biggest thing, that no IELTS test centers are open yet. But yes, you can still start your studies and you can appear for the IELTS examination later on, and we can produce this to the universities later on. Also, there are a lot of options in UK and other countries where without IELTS offer can be given. Even you can get the visa without the IELTS if you have studied from class 1 to 12 in English medium. That is, in CBSE, ICSE board student, they can study without IELTS in different British or US universities. So, are you really confused about the foreign exchange? Don't worry, we are tied up with lot of banks and with the foreign exchange companies. So, you can pay your tuition fees by sitting at your home. You don't need to go anywhere. It is 100% safe and secure. Are you confused about the visa options? Don't worry, you will get multiple entry visa. So, you can come back to India at any point of time, at any problem. You can come back to India on the same day and you can go back to that country again. So, the students will get multiple entry visa. Are you confused about the fund? Yes, this is one of the biggest confusion, and don't worry, banks are there to provide you with the education loan. And the biggest benefit of this education loan is that you don't need to start repay the loan right now. Once you complete your course and then you start repaying the loan. And of course, are you confused about the ranking of the universities? We can guide you, how to check the ranking of the universities. Are you confused about the quality of the professors? There are several, websites where you can check, how to, check, the quality of the professors, how many PhD professors are there. So we can guide you about that as well. Are you confused about the part-time job? As I mentioned in my previous videos, if you are a part of extended OCS family, our family members, that is our previous student, can help you find some part-time jobs. And are you really worried or confused about your future options? Please come to us. We can guide you about your future options, because already in the last 19 years we have guided more than 1,000 students about their study destinations. So if you are still interested to know more, please call us or visit our office or attend to our webinars for further informations. And if you need more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Hope this video is helpful to you and this will help you to take your decision. Take care. Bye.